have got a world famous machine which everybody can identify, and this is Hayabusa. This is 2020 year model. I also have with me Mr. Yogesh, who is the owner of Motopit Garage, which is located at Gurgaon. He has done performance service on this particular motorcycle. So we are going to hear him to see what exactly has he done on this motorcycle. Yogesh, Hayabusa became famous after the launch of John Abrams' Dhoom film.
Yes, so Hayabusa is a very famous bike from above the Dhoom because it's a 90s legacy, and this is a kind of bike across the world which is the famous in segment of sport tourer come drag lover racer. People are using Hayabusa for the drag racing, professional drag racing. You can feel the pleasure of plenty of power, comfort and riding, and of course performance. Bike is a very easy to maintain. This bike doesn't have any issue related to the manufacturing or production line. Again, is a Japanese brand. Japanese is a popular across the globe for the durability, quality and reliability. As I said, we are doing performance service for this machine. So Busa have a own legacy. They are maintaining a legacy from the 90s. Now they have launched the new edition as well. This is exactly second gen of Busa, and now they have launched the third generation of Hayabusa. So today we talk about the performance service or maintenance of the Hayabusa. We are using world class product of Licky Moly and other known brand name just like a Putoline, Licky Moly, Cell Advantech, Engine Ice, all these consumable, and K&N, BMC, all these stuff we are using in current all modern superbikes. So particular we talk about this machine, we have do the performance service. We are use the engine oil of Licky Moly, 10W50 street race. Then we are using for the reduce the heat of this bike or temperature of the bike. So we use Engine Ice. Engine Ice is a very good product for all kind of superbike, ATV, UTV. You can start from the KTM to till any high-end bike. Engine Ice is a coolant. Engine Ice origin from the USA. So I'll always suggest every riders in India who's riding in a summer time which is a very high temperature, so use Engine Ice. Now we talk about the filter, which is a very important part of every machine. So in this bike, as per the customer demand, we put the BMC air filter, which is a made in Italy, and of course is not a standard or OEM specific. This is a race version. And apart from air filter, we have diagnosis this machine complete with the Suzuki diagnosis system. So we are using Texa diagnosis system. We are going to put in this bike one exhaust that is called Two Brothers Racing or Race Pit. Now customer have to decide which one want to put in this machine.
Yogesh, It is a very highly powered machine. The braking system has to really perform well
Yes.
to make sure the rider is safe.
Yeah.
With respect to that, have you changed the engine oil or the brake pads of this machine?
Yes. We have changed the brake fluid of this machine. We are using Licky Moly 5.1, and after that we have changed the Brembo brake pads for this bike. Brembo comes in a 3 to 4 different compound. That is a LASP, street road performance racing compound. So we use Brembo brake pad in this particular bike, street and road performance.
So let's go and see now how exactly this motorcycle performs after it has been serviced by Motopit Garage. Thank you.